Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and this is my son.
John Mark Hazzard.
And for us, it's
all
all about
about
food. So today we want to make a Manhattan, son.
Okay,
I
cool.
want to show you to
Sounds
make a
good.
Manhattan.
All right.
And you're going to make it. I'm just going to guide you. It's very, very simple, John Mark. Nothing complicated at all.
Okay.
It's basically some bourbon whiskey,
Some bourbon whiskey.
sweet vermouth,
Okay.
and Angostura Bitters.
Okay.
And then we also have a cherry to garnish.
Okay. Sounds
So
good.
it's very, very simple. So first, what we have to do is put some ice into that glass then,
Okay.
so we can chill the glass.
No problem.
That's it.
It's too big.
That's okay. Let's see. Great, that's okay. Let's see. Maybe you can put maybe this one too as well.
Okay.
Let's just pour some water.
Okay. Oh, like why are we putting ice and water into the glass?
Oh, right. What we're doing is we're chilling the glass, getting the glass nice and cold.
Okay.
So when we make the actual Manhattan, we will pour into a chilled glass.
Okay.
So I'll put this over there by you, son,
Sounds
so that when that's chilled, you can just pour that into that glass. So you can just rest this glass maybe like in front of here.
okay. No problem. I'm gonna put this
So-
right here to the side.
Great. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take 2 ounces of the bourbon whiskey,
Okay.
right, in your jigger. So you're going to measure that up to the top. Come right up. Take your time.
Okay. Yes.
Come right
Yeah,
up.
that move it.
Come right up to the very top.
Okay.
And then you can pour it into this glass. This one is a stirred cocktail.
Okay.
And the way you can hold the glass as well, son, you
Yeah.
can just push your 2 fingers like this.
Like this.
Yeah, and then see, it turns over easily.
Yeah. I'm learning something new there.
Yeah. So then, same thing now with. So you're gonna do 1 ounce now. So it's really a ratio of 2 to 1. So 1 ounce now of the
Sweet
sweet vermouth,
Okay. Perfect.
and those things on top there are called pours.
Pours. Okay. Perfect.
Right. So easy that pour.
Simple.
And then you're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters.
2 dashes of Angostura Bitters.
That's great.
Perfect.
And then, son, you can go ahead now and take some ice and just put some ice in there. Ice is a little clumpy. You want me to get it for you?
Now I think I got it.
Okay.
Wait, oops. Pretty simple.
Yeah.
It is a bit clumpy.
Let me get it for you.
Okay.
I'll get it for you. I'll pass it over to you.
Perfect. Right.
So ice right in there. This one's a bit clumpy. So they get smaller pieces.
Perfect.
And another few here.
Got it.
And another one here, son. These ones are too really big. The ice is not the best quality. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take the bar spoon.
Yeah.
And you're gonna stir that.
Okay. Let me stir it.
Stir it all around. You wanna get it nice and chilled, nice and cold.
Nice and chill.
Yeah. Just stir that all around. Keep stirring. Get it nice and chilled. Kinda nice and chilled, son.
Yeah.
How it feels?
That feels it's getting pretty cold pretty quick. So
Yeah, so
So far,
this really, John Mark, is a classic cocktail.
okay.
Basically, that's been around for many years.
Okay.
And again, it's
Simple.
pretty much just 2 ounces of the bourbon whiskey,
Yeah.
1 ounce of sweet vermouth,
And
2 dashes of Angostura Bitters.
Right.
And then we're gonna stir it with some ice. I added the ice afterwards and not before
Yeah.
because I didn't want to dilute it too much.
Okay.
So what you can do now, you can pour that water now into here.
Pour the water here back into the. Okay. So the glass is nice and chill now, right?
Nice and chill now. Just make sure you get rid of all the water.
Okay.
So what you can do now is to put this glass here, and then you can pour now. Oh, actually, we can take the Hawthorne strainer or any kind of strainer you may have, and you're gonna strain that now into this glass.
Okay. Got it.
Very well done, said.
Nice. Beautiful, man.
So that can just rest to the side. And then you want to garnish it now with a cherry.
Cherry.
Just 1 cherry, or you can put this cherry through a skewer and put in there,
Okay.
but you can just drop that inside there. And that basically is our Manhattan. So go ahead and taste it, Sid. You taste, and then I will taste. I know you have to be a whiskey drinker to love it.
Yeah.
I know my daughter Hannah would have tasted it before and she didn't enjoy it, but she more into other kind of cocktails.
Yeah.
How's that for you, son?
It's nice. I do understand why being a whiskey drinker it would like you would appreciate it more if you're a whiskey drinker. But it's pretty nice.
Okay.
I like it. Yeah, I might order it next, or better yet, I might make it. You know.
Yeah, it's nice drink when you're by the bar just to sit and to sip it.
Yeah.
But it's quite delightful.
Okay.
So, thanks, Sam, for
Anytime, man.
participating.
No, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Sam. And so if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe,
Correct.
ring the bell. And again, I am John Hazzard, and this is my son.
John Mark Hazzard.
And for us, it's not only all about food, but tonight it was all about the cocktail.
All about the drinks.
And it was a Manhattan cocktail we made.
Correct.
See you next time on All About Food.
See you next time, guys.